Hey friends, my name is Sean McCormick. I'm the founder of the Executive Function Coaching Academy and a former special education teacher turned executive function coach. And I want to help you consider exploring this career. So I want to walk you through what is executive function coaching, why as an educator you might want to think about exploring this career, and what are the next steps you can take. So I've made a little slide deck for you that I want to jump into right here. Let me pull this up and I'm going to jump over to this. So I like to tell people this is something that you could be earning $150 an hour doing right now, right? You don't even need to take a certification program or a course, though those things can help. Like you as a educator who's been helping kids learn how to manage school effectively for 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 years. I meet with people all the time who have 25 or 30 years of experience and know how to help kids do this, but they don't know how to offer it out into the community. So I want to walk you through the steps you can take. And the crazy thing about this is everybody knows kids need help with executive functioning, right? Like executive functioning. If you haven't heard that term before, what is it? Well, it's the ability to plan, organize, follow through, set goals, all that good stuff. So those are executive function skills, and all kids need these, but no schools actually teach kids these skills. I mean, there are certain classes for special education students. There's something called AVID that happens in some school systems, but ultimately there's no prescribed curriculum like the way we learn reading or math to learn executive function skills. So somebody has to do it. And as an educator, you probably have already been doing this for a long time, and now you just need to wrap it up in a little bow and put it out into the community so people will pay you $150 an hour for the service. And actually, you're kind of selling yourself short with $150 an hour, because I like to tell people it's better to sell a package. Put it in a 20-week or 16-week program, which I can walk you through in a little bit. But let's go through this so I can show you this and understand that you don't even need a new degree. You don't need to go back to school. In fact, there are really no programs for educators who want to be executive function coaches. There's no college program. The closest thing to this is there's some school who has a few classes on executive functioning, but ultimately this is like I guess you could say, cutting edge field that only some educators are realizing they can do easily with their experience. So if you don't want to go back to school and you want to put that master's degree to work by having something on the side that can quickly turn into something full-time, I'm going to walk you through this possibility. All right, so why is this going to work for you? Well, first off, you have mastered the skills as a special educator, classroom educator, whether you're a Spanish teacher. You know how to help kids identify their goal for this semester for your class and then take action towards it in incremental chunks. You've been scaffolding, you've been breaking things down for years, right? So all that experience you have in the classroom, helping students plan, organize, follow through, helping the teachers or other teachers or parents get involved, that stuff all is going to serve you when you branch out and start this business, right? Now, the problem is, like, I was a public school special education teacher, and the problem is all this stuff is capped in the school system, right? You want to grow in the school system, and in some districts you can. There are some amazing districts out there who they'll offer professional development support, all that good stuff. But if you are in a place where you're on a salary ladder, and even if you're the best teacher in the district, you can't increase your salary unless you take on like coaching one of the teams or something like that. It's really an unfortunate situation, right? So this is a way that you can pay yourself more by taking those skills you're already using and then applying them to work with students, right? Using them to work with students on the side. So let's walk through how you can do that, right? So outside the school, it's a premium specialty. And what that means is parents are actively looking for people who do this, and there's really just not enough providers. So that's the challenge as a talented educator like you are. The system is going to cap your income. There's just no way you can get around it. There's no flexibility. There's no negotiating in a system like that. So what do you do? Well, executive function coaching right now in 2026 is what I call a blue ocean. And there's this concept of a blue ocean and a red ocean. A red ocean is a field where everybody's trying to do it. Let's use AI as an example. There's so many people out there trying to teach people how to do AI, right? So it's a red ocean. All the sharks have already chomped out on the bait. So the ocean is red. It's filled with the blood of the bait. But the blue ocean is an ocean where there's so much opportunity. You drop your line in and you catch 10 fish. And that's what executive function coaching is, because people are just starting to wake up to this reality. Okay. This is in demand. The rate of kids being diagnosed with ADHD and autism continues to rise year after year. You can just Google that. Does the rate of ADHD and autism rise? It is rising and rising and rising. But the number of credentialed special educators who know how to help kids with executive function skills is probably diminishing, because teaching is such a burnout field. People don't want to get into it. And the problem is educators, talented educators like you, need more options. And so this is what executive function coaching is. It's another option for you to use your education expertise so you don't have to burn out in the school system. All right. Now, I want you to Google where you are right now. Pause this video and Google wherever you are, whether it's, North Dakota or Tennessee. Google Tennessee executive function coach. Most of you are not going to find many coaches around you, right? There's going to be maybe one person or no one in your area that's doing executive function coaching. But I will tell you for sure that parents are looking for solutions. They're looking for therapists. They're looking for neuropsychologists. They're looking for people who can help their kids who struggle with attentional challenges. And you can be that one person who shows up and puts your shingle up and starts to offer these services, right? Now, tutoring companies are getting tons of inquiries for this, but tutoring companies are not equipped because they hire teenagers or people that don't have backgrounds in education, right? Or a master's degree or classroom experience, right? Tutoring is just a side job, but executive function coaching is a specialty. And here's the crazy part. Parents who are looking for these executive function coaches have already probably spent thousands of dollars on this topic, right? Here's what I mean by that. When a parent learns about executive function coaching, it's usually from a neuropsychologist who they got an assessment done because their kid's struggling in school. They go to a neuropsychologist, they get diagnosed with ADHD or autism or another learning disability. And the parent finds out from the report that executive function is the big issue, right? The kid struggles to self-organize. And so now the neuropsychologist says to them, you need to find an executive function coach. And the parent starts to look around and they can't find one because no one does it in this area. So they have to go out of state or do something online. And you could be the person right around them that they immediately trust because they're looking for someone in their area. So why not be that person? All right, let's jump over to the next slide here. And let me walk you through. There's kind of like a few different ways to approach this as a coach. And if you're interested in digging into this, by the way, I have all these resources on my website. So if you go to executivefunctioncoachingacademy.com, we'll link this in the description. We have an EF coaching industry report. You can see from graduates of my certification program exactly how much they're earning 6 months after graduating the program, right? This is real data from graduates of the program. You can actually go to the map, right? If you go to executivefunctioncoachingacademy.com, on the bottom here, you can go down here to find a coach because you get a listing on my directory when you complete my program. You can find a coach and you can reach out to these people and ask them, how much are they charging, right? What does their thing look like? Scroll through here. These are all real people. Go reach out to them. Ask them questions, right? These are the people who are getting ahead of the curve and putting themselves out there and jumping into this. And in 10 years, there's going to be so many more coaches, but you can be at the cutting edge of this right now. And by the way, if you're like, I don't want to do anything like that, I'm not sure, go listen to my book. It's free on YouTube, free on Spotify. You can download an Audible, purchase a copy of it. I've got tons of free resources on this page. That way, as you listen to the book and you go through it, you can get all these free resources. It's all there for you. I literally just give all this stuff away. It's for you. Go check it out. I want to help you. I want to help more educators get in front of students who need this help, but not if you feel like you have to do it in the school system that's burning you out. Go do it. Don't quit and go do another job or drive Uber or sell insurance or some multi-level marketing scheme. Take your education expertise and go help students. Just do it on your own terms. Okay? Don't let the school system stop you from sharing your expertise with the world, right? You don't have to, your education expertise does not have to go through one pipeline, which is the traditional classroom. You can have your own classroom, your online classroom, however you want to do it. So let's jump back over here. Let me jump back over to what we were talking about here. And so there's kind of 3 ways you can approach this, right? You can do this on the side and earn $700 to $1,000 a month. Let's say you're charging $150 a session If you get up to 4 clients, you can be making $600 a week, $2,400 a month. If you have 2 clients at $150 a session, you can be making $300 a week. That's $1,200 a month, right? 3 to 5 hours a week, keep your day job, build your business. Now, if you want to really build this out, you could sell a package. Let's say you do a $3,000 package. You could call it a semester package, right? Maybe it's 16 sessions, plus you review the kid's IEP, plus you do an hour of parent consult a month. You can add in some things that you're already going to do, right? And let's say you charge around $1,000 a month for this package. Now, you only need 6 students, or, if you charge a little bit less than 1,000, 6 to 8 students to make that $6,000 a month. Now, if you want to fully replace your teaching money, $10,000 a month or something like that, 10 clients at $9.99 a month, right? A teacher's salary and then some. Now, here's the thing. I've had people go through my program. They started out as tutors charging $40, $50, $60 an hour. As soon as they pivoted to recognizing their education expertise, they can charge $150 to $200 a session, right? No one wants to pay $150 for a tutor, but they will pay that for an executive function coach because it's a specialist. So leverage what I call your unfair advantage, your background in education, and put it into practice. Do something with that. Right now, you might be thinking, and I want to address this right now. You might be thinking, I can't charge that much, or people don't charge that where I live, or I'm in the middle of nowhere, or whatever. I hear this all the time. Here's the thing. There's wealthy people everywhere. It doesn't have to just be wealthy people. There's well-to-do, middle class people everywhere, right? If they're paying for nice cars and school and college, they're willing to pay for these services. So our doubts are traitors and make us lose the good we often might win by fearing to attempt. That's Shakespeare. Don't let your doubts be traitors and prevent you from actually going out there and doing this. Like these limiting beliefs, there's so many of them that come up, and we talk ourselves out of an amazing opportunity. Like I'm telling you right now, go to the map I just showed you and reach out to people that have taken my program and are doing this and ask them, what are you charging? Like if you don't believe me, go do it, right? You don't have to write this off before you've investigated it. There's a quote. It's something like there's one barrier to all knowledge, and that is something like contempt prior to investigation. Look, you might say, all right, is this guy for real? Like, could this actually be me? Or go reach out to people. Ask them if you don't believe me. Or I got another idea for you. If you're not sure, check this out. I'm trying to make all this for people so you can see this. Look, if you go to executivefunctioncoachingacademy.com, go to case studies. These are all people like you. Let's go to parent, right? Look at parent. This is actually amazing. Dr. Iskro, she was a former pediatric doctor, and she started her own coaching practice. Carly was a teacher and parent, built her own practice, right? So you can do this. You just have to go put yourself out there and do it. So don't take my word for it. Go investigate. No contempt prior to investigation, though. Check it out. Okay, let's keep going here. So let's just address some of the limiting beliefs that come up for people, right? I need a new degree or license. Nope. Executive function coaching is unlicensed. There is no overseeing body that can tell you whether or not you can coach. You can go out and do it right now. In fact, if you want to do that and you're not ready to fully enroll in a full training like my certification program, which will very much help you get going. But if you're not ready for something like this, that's okay, right? You can go to this thing. I have this thing called the Semester Success Blueprint. It's literally an hour-long course, and will show you exactly how I run sessions. As you can see, I recorded this a few years ago when my hair was shorter, but it'll show you exactly what I would do in a coaching session with a student. So check that out if you're not ready. And if you're not ready for that, go do my free 5-step workbook. All right, this will show you exactly how to start your coaching business in 5 steps. It's not going to give you everything, but it'll get you going, because taking action is so important. You got to take action. You can't overthink this stuff. It's the thinking, not the drinking, right? Is what they say, right? Don't let your thinking stop you. All right, so let's jump back over here. And your 15 to 20 years of experience, that's the credential. That's what's matter, right? You might think, I need social media. I need to be making Instagram or TikTok videos. Nope. Referral-based marketing by reaching out to local neuropsychologists, therapists, private schools. That'll fill your roster without ever needing to open any of those silly social media apps. And you might be also thinking, oh, sales feels so icky. I don't want to sell anything. Forget about selling. Invite people into working with you. Hey, is this something you'd be interested in? This is what I'm offering. It's an invitation, no pressure. You don't have to pressure anybody to do anything. Help people, be of service. This is what you're doing as a teacher. You're selling education to kids. You're selling it to families. The school district's the one making the money, really, or they're the one who is basically offering your services and making the financial decisions with that taxpayer money. So why not invite people to work with you? Forget about sales. It's not sales. Okay, here we go. So here are 3 steps you can take. As I shared with you, I have a free book that'll walk you through exactly how to do this. Let me jump over that. Where did I put that? The book. Where's the book? Okay. If you go to executivefunctioncoachingacademy.com, you go to book. This book will walk you through how to do it. And it is free on YouTube. I'm going to pop this open. I'm going to pull open YouTube right here.
Back.
It's free.
If you own...
Excuse me. All you have to do is go here. The whole book is free, broken down. And I audio recorded this. This is my voice. I didn't use AI to write this. I wrote it from my experience for you. It's to help you. Okay. Number 2, the semester success blueprint. If you want to take a smaller step forward, you're not ready to jump into a full certification, the semester success blueprint will give you a stepping stone into this field, right? On how to get started and how to run coaching sessions. So check that out if you're not ready to really jump into this. And if you are like, this is what I've been waiting for, I've been looking for a plan, and you don't want to make all the mistakes I made in the past 7 years building out my coaching business, Executive Function Specialist, I have a full certification. And if you want to check that out, we've got basically the details here. You can check this out. You can see exactly what you get out of it, a description. Every meeting is broken down. Here's the roadmap to earning between $5,000 and $20,000 a month as an executive function coach. You do the certification. You do what's called the paid client guarantee. This is part of my community, right? In here we have courses. We have our paid client guarantee, which gives you a step to take each day in order to build out your business. We've also got a bunch of other little mini courses that'll help you. Guidance on how to run these sales calls, guidance on how to run coaching sessions, and then just a vibrant, thriving community of people that are helping each other out, as well as weekly live events, right? We have weekly live events that'll help you launch and grow your coaching business. So it's all there for you. The support is there, right? It's up to you to decide how do you want to take action and get started. All right, so to wrap this up, your experience qualifies you. The only thing missing is the framework. And if you feel stuck, start with my free book. Like, you have literally nothing to lose except your time. And it's a good use of your time, right? Use your time for something useful. Let's stop doom scrolling on social media. Use your time for something that's going to pay you. Invest in yourself. Are you worthy of being invested in? If the school system's not doing it for it, you have to do it for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. My name is Sean McCormick. I'm the founder of Executive Function Coaching Academy and Executive Function Specialist. I want to help you take your expertise, put it in front of the families that need it most. So if that was helpful, check out the links in the description. Book a free call with me so we can talk about your transition from education. I want to help you. All right. So I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.